Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Techademy. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to change password on your Uber application. To change password on Uber, first of all, launch open the Uber app on your device and make sure that you are logged in. Once you're inside the home page of Uber, go to the bottom right corner and click on the Account button. Inside your Accounts tab, click on Settings. Under Settings, click on your username at the top. This will now take you to these options over here. Click on Security from the left-hand side menu. Under Security, click the Password option. Enter the new password you'd like to change to for your Uber account. Once done, enter the new password once again in the Confirm Password field. Finally, click on Update. And soon after you do that, you will be able to change your password on Uber application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.